Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making banana bread. So if you've ever made banana bread at home, you probably know that it is soft, it is sweet, it is so comforting. But today we are making banana bread with a slightly crunchy crust that will give every slice that perfect contrast. It's going to be soft and moist on the inside and slightly crisp on the outside with a slightly crackly top. You don't need any complicated equipment or fancy ingredients, just a few simple steps. To begin, I'm going to add 2 ripe bananas into a bowl, and using a fork, I'm going to mash everything into smaller pieces. You can mash your banana however you want, but I always like some chunks of banana in my banana bread, so this texture is just fine for me. Into that, I'll be adding half a cup of sugar, granulated sugar, and 2 eggs. Remember to break your egg in a separate bowl before adding it into your mixture. Then using a whisk, I'm going to whisk everything together. Remember I told you that this recipe, we don't need any fancy ingredients or fancy gadgets, just whatever you have at home. Into that, I'll be adding some melted butter. This is a quarter cup of melted butter. You can also use vegetable oil. Then I am adding milk. This is half cup of milk. Then some vanilla extract. This is half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Remember that all the ingredients I'll be using for this recipe will be in the description box, so you can check that out much later, just in case you want to recreate this recipe. Then I have here 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I'm just going to sift it into the mixture. Make sure you sift your flour before adding it into your mixture to remove any particles, any unwanted particles. Then I just added baking powder. This is a teaspoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Cinnamon powder is optional, but it makes a whole lot of difference, and a pinch of salt. Then I'm just going to sift everything into my mixture. If you're coming across my channel for the very first time, my name is Evelyn. Please don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done that. Once everything is in, using a spatula, I'm just going to gently fold everything and make sure that everything is thoroughly combined. At this point, you should be preheating your oven and make sure not to over mix your batter. Then take your pan, whatever pan you're going to be using to bake your banana bread, and grease. I'm greasing this with some butter so that it doesn't stick. Then your mixture, you're just going to add that into your pan. And now to get that crunchy and crispy top, you're going to start baking at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for the first 10 to 15 minutes. Then you're going to reduce this to 350 degrees because that initial heat will help set the top faster. And please do not overmix your mixture because this will prevent that top from forming. I also like to draw a line at the center just to create a perfect and attractive crack. This is actually optional. Make sure to check on your banana bread while it is in the oven until a toothpick comes out clear. And there you have it, guys, fresh out of the oven. Take a look at that beautiful golden crust, perfectly crispy, and that is what we were aiming for. Just take a look at the crust, and the smell alone, guys, the smell alone will make you so impatient. And the best part is that this recipe is so easy to prepare. Right here, I was greasing this with some melted butter. This is actually optional. If you would like, you can do this, but it just makes it more beautiful, shiny, attractive, and greasy on the outside. That's all I have for today's recipe. Thanks for watching to this point. I really do appreciate it. And don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, because I'll be sharing easy, simple, and comforting recipes just like this one. Also, let me know your thoughts about this recipe in the comment section, and I'll be talking to you in my next recipe. Thanks for watching. Bye.